Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So there is two ways of going about it. Number one would be to hold your power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, there we go, it captures it. And all you really need to do is press both of those keys at the same time. Now the screenshot gets captured and then disappears, which you can find that screenshot in your gallery application. Now another way of going about it is using your pen. When you take it out, you do have this little pen icon somewhere on your screen. You can move it around, so for you it might be in a different place than it is for me. But once you find it and click on it, it gives you this quick overlay right here. And one of the options is Smart Select. Once you press on it, it gives you a couple options of Smart Select, precisely 3. So you have the area which you kind of just like drag across and it creates a box. Then we have a Free Select, which literally allows you to select any kind of shape you want and it crops it into that shape. And then a Circle one, which obviously just creates a circle or oval depending on how you stretch it. So I'm gonna just use the two first ones. So this is the box basically. I don't know if you can see, but there is a little dotted line basically right here. So where I drop it, just capture it, I guess a little bit with a search bar. Once I let go, as you can see, it shows you this screenshot that I have captured, and all I need to do is press right here to save it. Now the second way of doing it, which I wanted to show you, is the Free Select. So this one, once you have it selected, you can literally draw on the screen what you want to capture. So just do something like this. There we go, good enough. And as you can see, it captures only the selected area. From there, again, we can save it. And when we go to our gallery application, you will be able to find this on the main page. So pictures, or also when you go into albums, it will be neatly categorized into the album called Screenshot. And in here, you can see there's the first one, the crop that I just kind of like free selected. Then there's the box and just a normal screenshot. So there we go. That is how you could capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.